All right. Aryan Khan's drug probe case re-erupts after the Central NCB SIT. The Mumbai police has also summoned Shah Rukh Khan's manager Pooja Dadlani. Pooja has, however, sought more time from the Mumbai police, citing ill health. She was summoned on Saturday but did not appear. Mumbai police has summoned Shah Rukh Khan's manager in the extortion case. Dadlani's name came up in the affidavit of Prabhakar Sahil, a witness in the drug bust case. Sahil was the personal bodyguard of KP Gosavi. He was a witness in the case, in fact, witness number 1. Sahil had alleged that Gosavi and one Sam D'Souza connived and extorted 50 lakh rupees from Pooja Dadlani for not arresting Aryan Khan. In fact, Prabhakar Sahil has further alleged that Gosavi was working at the behest of an NCB official to extort at least 25 crore rupees from Aryan Khan, from Shah Rukh Khan in fact, only to let off his son Aryan Khan in this case without a probe. Now let's take a quick listen to what Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik and independent witness Prabhakar Sahil said about the extortion bid, which is currently being probed not just by the Mumbai police but also by the NCB's internal vigilance team.
NCB ऑफिस के मतलब 500 के करीब एक लेफ्ट टर्न है, वहाँ पर एक आदमी आया मिलने के लिए, किरण गोसावी का। उनका नाम सैम करके था। आधे घंटे में 2 मुलाकात होगी। अच्छा। हाँ। उसके बाद हम लोग वहाँ से लोअर परल निकले, फिर गाड़ी में बातचीत चल रही थी। सैम अलग गाड़ी उनकी गाड़ी में थे, हम हमारी इनोवा में थे।
अच्छा, सैम अलग गाड़ी में थे, आप अपनी अलग गाड़ी में थे, आप और किरण गोसावी। क्या बातचीत हो रही थी गाड़ी में?
गाड़ी में इतना ही चल रहा था कि 25 का बॉन्ड डाल, लास्ट 18 में फाइनल कर, 8 अपने को वानखेड़े को देना है, 10 अपने को बांट लेना है करके।
अच्छा, 25 मतलब क्या? 25 लाख कितना?
25 सीआर,
25 करोड़ रुपया। क्या 25 करोड़ का बॉम्ब डालो? क्या बोला उन्होंने?
हाँ, बॉन्ड डाल, लास्ट 18 तक फाइनल कर, 8 वानखेड़े साहब को देना है, बाकी का हम लोग को रखना है।
वानखेड़े साहब मतलब समीर वानखेड़े। ये किससे बात कर रहे थे?
ये सैम से बात कर रहा था।
सैम से।
पूरा मामला किडनैपिंग का और रैंसम का है। मोहित कंबोज के साले की जरिए ट्रैप लगाई गई, वहां आर्यन खान को पहुंचाया गया और किडनैप करके 25 करोड़ की फिरौती मांगने का खेल शुरू हुआ। डील 18 करोड़ में हो गई, 50 लाख रुपए उठाए गए, लेकिन एक सेल्फी ने पूरा खेल बिगाड़ दिया, ये सच्चाई है।
All right, let me quickly cut across to Divyesh joining us live from Mumbai. Divyesh, these are some serious allegations, of course, of extortion, where not just Sameer Wankhede is being grilled, but also Shah Rukh Khan's manager, if at all she was party to this and she attempted at trying to release Aryan Khan with a bribe, then she, of course, will also face punishment if she's proven to be guilty. Take us to exactly the line of questioning the Mumbai police will carry out once she's being summoned. She's also taken a little time to appear before the Mumbai police, we hear.
Well, the inquiry right now, Nabila, is at a very preliminary stage, so it is not yet clear exactly what happened. The allegations levelled by Prabhakar Sahil are under inquiry. There is an inquiry going on by the Mumbai police SIT that has been formed to inquire into this matter, to conduct a thorough investigation into this matter. They will record statements of all the possible people who are connected to these allegations. Prabhakar Sahil will be questioned. Other than that, there's Ranjit Singh Bindra who has been questioned. There's one Mayur Ghule who has been questioned, whose statement has been recorded. And there are multiple other people whose statements will be recorded, including that of Aryan Khan. Pooja Dadlani has been summoned, but she cited ill health, and that is why she has sought more time to appear before the Mumbai police society. As of now, she is yet to appear. So it's not really very clear on what will be the line of questioning, but it is suspected that she'll be questioned if she really handed over the cash of 38 lakhs or 50 lakhs as alleged by Prabhakar Sahil to Kiran Gosavi or to Sam D'Souza. Was she in touch with Sam D'Souza? Was any kind of demand made towards her? What kind of demand was made for release of Aryan Khan? Was it made by Gosavi? Was it made by Sam D'Souza?
Right. Of course, all that will be extensively probed. Pooja Dadlani, the manager who almost represented Shah Rukh Khan's family in this, has been called in for summons. She's going to be appearing soon enough. When's that going to happen? Remains to be seen. But Divyesh, stay with us. Aryan Khan has, meanwhile, skipped the Narcotics Control Bureau summons in the Mumbai cruise drug bust case. Superstar's son, Shah Rukh Khan's son there, was asked to appear before the probe agency on Sunday for questioning, but he didn't turn up. Sources have told India Today that Aryan Khan cited illness and expressed his inability to join the probe on Sunday. He's likely to join in the investigation today, anytime from now. Aryan Khan has been granted conditional bail on the 28th of October by the Bombay High Court. He was asked to cooperate with the Narcotics Control Bureau as one of the conditions for bail there. The cruise drug seizure case in which Aryan Khan has been arrested last month was transferred from the NCB Mumbai zonal unit to the SIT team on Friday. DDG Sanjay Singh has taken over 6 cases that were being led by NCB zonal director Samir Wankhede, who is currently facing a departmental probe on extortion allegations.
सैम डिसूजा और बाकी लोग सुनील पाटिल को बुलाया जाएगा क्या? मैं बाई नेम नहीं बोलूंगा, लेकिन जो आवश्यक होंगे सबको बुलाऊंगा।
लेकिन कितने लोगों को बुलाया गया सर आज? कितने?
मैं बाई नेम नहीं बताऊंगा।
नाम मत बताइए।
प्लीज मेरी जांच को प्रभावित करने वाली कोई भी चीज मैं नहीं बोलूंगा।
सर लेकिन फिर भी कितने लोग अमूमन संख्या बता सकते हैं? संख्या बता दीजिए।
मैं आज प्रभाकर साहिल जी की उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ, बाकी आगे देखते हैं।
इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है SIT।
राइट सर, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट लीड्स मिले हो?
अभी एट दिस स्टेज आई कैन नॉट शेयर
सर कुछ केसेस की फाइल लेकर आए हैं सर, जिसमें कॉलिंग समवन की फाइल भी है सर। क्या सर आगे डिस्कशन?
All right, it's going to be certainly an action-packed day today in the Aryan Khan drug probe case. Here's what's expected. Multiple issues that need to be addressed. Of course, the NCB now today will be probing Aryan Khan's case. The new NCB team will be, in fact, probing this matter. In fact, the SIT team has been appointed now, a special team to investigate this case. Pooja Dadlani, who's Shah Rukh Khan's manager, is most likely going to be questioned in this case. Of course, she's been summoned by the Mumbai police. On the other hand, she's already said she's not well. She's sought some more time to appear. And then you might possibly see the grilling of witness Prabhakar Sail. This is exactly what we heard from the NCB's internal vigilance team, who said that they are hoping that Prabhakar Sail shows up. The previous summons he skipped, and now hopefully Prabhakar Sail will be in front of them to be questioned. We are looking at questioning of mastermind Sunil Patil as well in this entire case. We're also looking at a few others who will be probed by the SIT. SIT now may seek court nod to question KP Gosavi. Remember, Gosavi was very recently arrested by the Mumbai police in another case, so hopefully they will be taking the legal route to try and get permission to question Gosavi, who's in prison. Then you have witnesses Sam D'Souza's statement to be recorded. We're looking at Sam D'Souza also now, who will be summoned, and a statement of his will be recorded from here.